Neural DSP Technologies introduces the Mesa Boogie Mark IIC Plus Suite. Welcome to Music Gears, where we bring you the latest info on new music instruments, software, and other gear from around the world. Neural DSP today announced the launch of the Mesa Boogie Mark IIC Plus Suite. This new plugin is precisely engineered and designed to evoke the Mesa Boogie Mark IIC Plus, a sonic milestone marker in the history of the guitar amplifier. Used by a literal pantheon of players including legends like Kirk, Hammett and James Hetfield, Metallica, Prince, Steve Lukather, Toto, Neal Schon, Journey, and John Petrucci, Dream Theater, the Mark IIC Plus is revered for its versatility and its rich, complex tonal palette. Part of the same suite, the Mesa Boogie IIC++ is the near-mythical and highly coveted factory-modified iteration of the original IIC Plus amplifier. The IIC++ further refined the amp's tonal capabilities with a new preamp-circuit design that provides additional gain alongside tighter low-end response. Neural DSP has replicated every nuance of both amplifiers with unprecedented accuracy to bring a piece of history back to life. Product features. Guitarists will find the Mesa Boogie Mark IIC Plus and Mark IIC++ amps have all the unique and innovative tonal and functional aspects of the original amplifiers ready to play. The layout mimics the original. The amp front panel features push/pull knobs for bright/rhythm channel and bright/lead channel, treble shift, bass shift, deep, and lead/rhythm, as well as Mesa Boogie's hallmark 5-band graphic EQ, making the possibilities for tone shaping virtually infinite. The signal path is designed, like the original, to let you tweak the treble, bass, and mid-range controls to shape your tone prior to distorting it. For example, reducing the bass before dialing in distortion will result in a tighter low end within the overdrive engaged. Similarly, you can tweak the 5-band graphic EQ to alter the characteristics of the power amplifier. The rear of the amplifier presents presence and reverb controls as well as a switch between simulclass and Class A, allowing you to choose which power amp topology you want to use. The Mesa Boogie Mark IIC Plus dynamics and equalization are spectacular. A compressor, located pre-effects, offers rich, glassy clean sounds, while a chorus provides air-appropriate rich modulation. The onboard 9-band graphic equalizer allows for detailed frequency response control across a wide spectrum. And of course, Overdrive 1 and 2 provide everything from a subtle boost to classic Mesa Boogie tube saturation. Post-effects, a stereo delay provides that classic Warm Bucket Brigade (BBD) sound. The reverb provides a classic 80s large hall sound and can range from subtle ambience to canyon-esque soundscapes. Cabinet/speaker simulation. One of the benefits of virtualization is the ability to instantly modify cabinet and speaker dynamics via cabinet simulations and digital impulse responses, IRs. Included is a comprehensive cab sim module with hundreds of IRs made by 5x5 studios. It features 3 speaker options: Mesa Boogie Rectifier Standard Slant 4x12, Traditional Slant 4x12, and Stacked Horizontal 2x12s, 10 virtual microphones, and Neural DSP's proprietary room mic section. In addition to the hundreds of IRs, this module can be used to load your own IR files. In short, the Mesa Boogie Mark IIC Plus and Mark IIC++ suite of guitar plugins put every bit of this historic amplifier series tight at your fingertips. A historic amplifier. The Mesa Boogie Mark II was introduced in 1978 and was the first guitar amplifier to feature channel switching. The Mark IIB was the first guitar amp to integrate a buffered effects loop. The Mark IIC quickly gained popularity among guitarists, particularly among heavy metal and hard rock players thanks to its high-gain sound and versatile EQ section. But the Mark II didn't stop there. The Mark IIC Plus featured several modifications to the original design, including a revised EQ section, a new pole bright switch, and a new output transformer, resulting in a more aggressive and dynamic tone. The Mark IIC Plus proved to be a huge success and remained in production until 1989, since then becoming the most coveted vintage boogie amp. The IIC++ modification, originally made for Vivian Campbell of Dio and Kirk Hammett and James Hetfield of Metallica, saw fewer than 20 of these modifications made by the factory before production of the IIC+ ended. Now, Neural DSP has precisely and authentically virtualized this sonic legacy and made it easily and affordably available to everyone who ever longed to have that unique Mesa Boogie Mark II tone at their command. What we share with guitarists is a deep and abiding respect for legacy sound, observes Neural CEO Douglas Castro. Our modeling technology has been able to precisely capture the contemporary sounds of brilliant guitar innovators like Corey Wong and Tim Henson. With the release of the new Mesa Boogie Mark IIC Plus suite, we've done the same for one of the most classic guitar amplifiers in history. Please click the like button if you found this video helpful, and if you'd like to stay informed on the latest in music gear releases and limited time discount offers, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.